was the one that was stopping everybody.
Okay, we need that recording. 315, we'll ask you for the recording. Record this, please, bro. So basically, we're down here on Belgrave Road right now. The way this whole situation started today, for the past week, everything's been calm. We've been telling the Muslim community, stay calm, stay peaceful, everything's under control. Yeah? Police have got everything under control, like they assured us, etc. The reality is, the cowards, the Hizbut thugs, who are picking Muslims out one by one at night and attacking them 30 against 1, they all went into hiding. Yeah? For the past whole week, everything's been peaceful. None of them have been coming out. The locals in the area near Greenland Road, they've all said everything for 1 week it's been peaceful. They've not had to call the police or anything for a change because the troublemakers went into hiding. Now today, out of the blue, there's about 200 of them. They marched through our area, past the masjid, provoking the Muslim community, chanting whatever they were chanting, yeah? Now they're inciting, they're causing a problem, and they're actually instigating it. This is why the Muslim community have now come out. If you just let me record this. Muslim community came out. We actually challenged them. So we won't allow this. We won't allow this in our community. And the police kept saying there's a minority. Maybe there's a small 30, 40 of them, or maybe there's a small number of them who are causing this trouble. As we can see today, clearly, there's not a small minority of them. There's hundreds of them. And nobody in the Hindu community is addressing or acknowledging this problem. Yeah, and we won't allow this to carry on down here. And this is why the Muslim community are extremely annoyed today, and they're out here in their hundreds today, bro. And you know what? We won't accept this kind of stuff in our community. Police got absolutely nothing under control. Absolutely nothing under control. They didn't even know what was going on. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. Jazakallah khair. Update from Leicester. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.